In this video, we are going to see about Information and Communication Technology, Paper 3, Website Authoring from Specimen Paper 2023. So, Task 1 Evidence Document. Already create the new word process document. Make sure your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of this document. Save this document in your work area with the file name, spec evidence followed by your candidate number. So, already we have the evidence document with your name, center number and candidate number. So task 2 web page. Your trainee has started to create the web page and style sheet for Tavara digital storage. These must be suitable for uploading to a web server. Create a new folder called spec_html. So open the folder, right click, go to the new folder, spec_html. So locate the following files and store them in your spec_html folder. So we want to locate this and we want to paste on the folder. Okay, so spec Control X, go to the folder and paste. Yes. So now open the file spec_disk.jpg in a suitable application. So I am going to open the spec_disk.jpg. You can use Paint 3D or you can use the Microsoft Office Picture Manager. Okay, so we can use Microsoft Office Picture Manager or Paint 3D. Okay, so now I am going for Paint 3D. Otherwise, open the Paint 3D from the search. Open, browse files, go to menu, browse files, go to desktop, go to your folder and open spec disk. Yes. Now reflect the image horizontally. So go to the option 3 and go to canvas option and horizontally. So this is horizontal. Yes. Save this image as disk1.jpg in your spec.html folder. Okay, so save, go to menu, save as image. They ask you to save, go to your folder, and give the name disk1. So see how they are given the name, capital or small letter. Okay, disk1 and jpg, and save. Yes, the file is saved. Next, rotate the image disk1.jpg 90° clockwise. So we want to rotate the image. Again I am going to the menu, open, browse files, don't save, menu, browse files, go to the disk1 and click open. Yes, see, disk 1 it will come. So they ask you to rotate the 90-degree clockwise. So clockwise means right side. So this is the 90-degree clockwise. So click this like this. Now save this image as a disk2.jpg. So go to the menu, save as image, disk2, save. Yes, if you go and check in the folder, disk 1, disk 2 will be available. Now crop the image disk2.jpg so that all the solid state drive is visible with equal amount of red background on each side. The image must be square. Do not distort the image. The hard disk drive must not be visible. Save this image as disk3.jpg in your spec underscore html folder. Okay, so I am going to menu, open, browse files, don't save, new, browse files, save. Okay, disk 2 and click open. So it will come like this. They need only the solid state drive, they don't want hard disk drive. So I'm going for the crop like this, and little bit and little bit. Yes, and done. Yes, next they are asking save this image as disk3.jpg. So go to the menu, save as image, and give the name disk3 and save. Yes, now resize the image disk3.jpg to become 600 pixels. So this is width and this is height, and we want to save this image as spec ssd.jpg in your spec underscore html folder. So go to the menu, open, browse file, save, disk3, click open. Yes, now they asking 500 pixel, 600 pixel. So give 600 pixel, not like that. Click crop and try with the 600 pixel. Sorry, don't give the crop and give, and height also 600. Yes, like this you want to give, and go to menu, save as image, spec ssd, yes, jpg, and save. So we finish the image editing. Now display the content of your spec html folder showing the folder name, image dimension, all file name, file extension, and file size. Okay, so go to the folder, so go to view, close the image, all the things. Click the view content. Yes, in this, if you are using Windows 11, all the things will come. So file name, file type, image dimension, all the things will come. So take the screenshot of this and go to the evidence document, evidence 1, and paste. I'm using Windows plus print screen or button. So go to the picture format, crop, yes. So the style sheet is not finished and contains a number of errors. You are going to edit the style sheet. Make sure that you use the most efficient method. All color code must be in hexadecimal. Edit style H4, H5 do not need defining. Make sure that all your style sheet contains no HTML. Open the style sheet specstyle.css. So for that, go to the front, open the front page. So go to the file, go to the file, go to the open, go to the desktop, go to your folder, in this they are asking to open spec style, so this one, click this and click open. Yes, it's all is wrong, so delete. Now the specification for the style sheets are that they are given for table data, means TD, all heading styles, h1, h2, h3, a class called Saya. Okay, so first you can create table or you can create the h1 heading. So first I will go for the all 18 style. So they are using 3 18 style, h1, h2, h3. So that is the all 18 style. So they are asking color blue, 00, red, green. Actually according to the HTML it will be represented in the RGB, red, green, blue. So it will come FF00. So go to the format, style, user defined styles, click new and give h1 comma h2 comma h3, because there are 3 headings, so we are giving all the headings same. So go to the format, go to the font. First they are asking the color red, so they are asking asterisk shift 3 and they are asking ff, red ff, green ff, blue 00. Okay, click OK. And next they are asking font Times New Roman, so click the Times New Roman and click OK, click OK and click OK. So it will come. After that in the font they are asking, but if this is font is not available, then times. So you want to give comma times. If this times is also not, you want to give serif and semicolon and press enter. Yes, we finished the all 18 style. Next h1 they are given 48 points I and alignment right. Okay, so again I'm going to format, style, click new. I'm going to give h1, go to the format, font, they're given 48 8 point pt. Click OK. And alignment, they are asking alignment right. So go to format, paragraph, alignment should be right, and click OK. And click OK, and click select the H1 and click OK. Yes, it will come like this. Press enter. Next, H2, they are asking 24 points I. So go to the format, style, select H1 and click new and give H2, and format, go to the font, they are asking 24 points I. So see 24 point, yes, 24 point is there, and click OK and click OK and select the H2 and click OK. Yes, it's came. And next H3, they are asking 18 points I. So select the enter, format, style, select the H2 and click new and give the H3, format, font, size, they are asking 18 point. So 18 point is there. Select this and click OK. Click OK, select the H3 and click OK. Yes, it will come. Yes. Next, a class called cyan color, and they are given. So they are asking to create the class. Class means we are going to apply the class only for the particular text or particular heading or particular paragraph like this. Okay, so for that we can create the class. To create the class, same like go to the format, style, click 3 and click new. To create the class, you want to start with dot and the class name they are given cyan, a class called cyan. Okay, cyan. Okay, so go to the format, they are given the color, go to the font, color, more colors, and they are given, yes, 00FF. Okay, so asterisk 00FF and click OK and click OK and click OK and select the class cyan and click OK. So it will come like this. Yes. So we create all the heading styles and cyan. Now see the table and table data. In table they are asking size 90% of the width of the browser window. Borders not collapse with 2 pixel. Solid border color, and table data cell padding should be top 8 pixels, left and right 20 pixels, bottom 6 pixels, borders with 2 pixels, solid border color. So the border, see the table border and table data border, they are giving the with 2 pixels, solid, all these things. So we can give table and table data as a common. Okay, so otherwise I will show. First we can create the table size. So go to the format, style, click the cyan, click new and give the name, select our table and click OK and select the table and click OK. So it will come like this. In this I am going to give width 90 percentage, 19 percentage, okay, semicolon. After that they are asking borders not collapse. So borders I can give borders collapse, not collapse means separate. Okay, Now see, borders for the table and table it both are common. Okay, so we can create at the same time. Okay, so next I'm going for the table data. Go to format, style, click new and give TD, and go to format, go to border, and padding I'm going to give according to this. So padding top 8 pixels, so top give 8, left and right 20, left and right 20, and bottom 6, and bottom give 6, and click OK. Okay, and click OK, and select the TD and click OK. No issues. Okay, next. Now I am going to create the table and table data for the borders. Okay, so go to the format, style, select the table, click new, table, TD, table data. Yes, go to format, border, and they are given with the 2 pixels. So width I am going to give 2 pixels, and it should be solid. Border color A0 A000. So go to the color, more colors, asterisk A0 A000, and click OK, and click OK, and click OK, and select the table 3D and click OK. Yes, it's came. Yes. Next, we finish all the style sheet. Correct and complete the style sheet using the information above. Place your name, center number as a comment at the end of the style sheet. At the end of the style sheet, as your name, center number, candidate number, and yes. Now save the style sheet. Yes. Save this style sheet in your spec HTML folder with the file name spec style followed by a candidate number. Okay, so go to the file, save as, yeah, this one, spec style followed by your candidate number .css. Yes, we done. To take the screenshot showing the content of the style sheet, place this in your evidence document. So take the screenshot of this. I am using now print screen, or otherwise in your examination you can use snipping tool. So go to the evidence, evidence 2, select this picture format, crop, this, and keep like this. Yes. Now open the web page, spec webpage.html in a suitable editing package. So go to the file, open the web page in the front page. So replace the text, yeah, your candidate with your name, center. Replace the text by your name, center number, candidate number. Yes. Let's attach the style sheet to this web page. Before the save this and attach the style sheet, go to the format, style sheet links, click add, and go to the desktop and go to the folder. Yes, now in this spec style, this one, spec style 1, and click OK, and select this and click OK. Yes. Next, attach the style sheet you edited in step 3 to your web page so that it has a higher priority than the style sheet spec style 1.css. So we're going to attach the style which we edited. Go to the style sheet links, click add, this is, and click OK, click OK. Yes, done. Now use the class created in your style sheet to set the color of the text Tavara digital storage. So for the Tavara digital storage we are going to apply the class. So I'm going to select this, go to the code, so it's there. So now we want to type the code. Open the tag span space class equal cyan, close the tab. Now in between this, just cut the Tavara digital storage. In between the span you can paste. Save this and go to the design and see it will change. Now place into the appropriate sections of the current web development layer. So we want to set the meta tag. So for the metadata, go to the file, properties, go to the custom, click add, and give character set. So char set, go to the value, UTF 8, click OK. So click add, and next they are given author, you want to give your name, click OK. And next they are asking keywords Tavara TDS DVD SSD. So keywords Tavara TDS DVD SSD, and click OK, and click OK. Now go to the code and check, see whether all the things will be created. So now replay the text image here in the web page with the image spec ssd.jpg you edited at step 1. So go to the design and we want to place the image. So go to the insert picture from file and this one spec ssd, click insert. Yes. Now they are asking add appropriate alternate text to this image. So select this, right click, picture properties, go to general and text and give solid state drive and click OK. Yes. Yes. Now save the web page. So save the web page, display the web page in your browser. Okay, so display the web page in the browser. Open with anything, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, your wish. Yes, it's came. Yeah. So now I'm going to minimize this and I'm going to expand. Otherwise go to this 3 dots and give us a Yes, otherwise you can expand like this. Yeah, no, otherwise you can take the screenshot of this and you can paste it on the evidence document. Take the screenshot of this, go to the evidence document, evidence 3, control V. So see, go to the picture format, crop, don't want unwanted things. Yes, and you don't want this one. Yes, and crop. Okay, so there is no space, otherwise we can make this as the wrap text. Yes, evidence 4. Take the copy and place in your evidence document. So go to the code, select full, copy this and paste it on the evidence document. Yes, done. If you want, you can underline all the evidence and give bold. Bold, underline. Bold, underline. Bold, underline. Yes, like this you can give. Yes, so this is about information technology paper 3 website authoring from Specimen paper 2023. Thank you.